I'm getting a picture with it.
Well, maybe. Never mind. No, I'm sorry. Here you are.
Get it out, Trey.
Your nephew's life is effectively
Get the bird out.
You need support. You need an ally. What is it?
I'm gonna get this.
Freaking bird in my house. Don't hurt it.
I won't. I'm gonna touch the bird.
I'm so sorry.
That's Trey trying to get the bird out. There he is, Trey. He's getting ready to go.
Where is he?
Step away. I think he's trying to get out.
You can't just deport Levi.
The process will take a couple of days, but yes, I can.
What is his crime?
I want to stay in here.
This is his life, and he's getting a new visa.
Come on, step away. Let's see if he can go for the food.
I'm just gonna take the bread.
Break it in another piece.
She's a legal barracuda, and by the time she's done with them, they won't allow you to leave the country.
I wouldn't waste your money, insurance. Laws very clear on cases like this.
Hand it to him.
Huh?
Hand it to him.
Okay, another bread.
There he is. Where'd he go? He's up here. Let's see if he can. See if he'll fly out.
Wait, I'll get a piece of bread. Here, bearded, bearded, birdie. Here comes bread. Oh my gosh! What the heck?
He hurt himself again. Let him walk, Trey. Get another piece of bread. Right there.
You want a piece of bread? Coming right up.
Put it right by the door.
Oh, he's hurt. He can't move. Let me like touch him with the spoon. Let me see if he can be alive. Is it?
Well, we got it out. I don't know if it hurt itself.
I think
If your mom was here, she'll know what to do with it.
Can I pet the bird?
Yeah.
First, I have to get